Manoj Kumar, real name Harikishan Goswami. Born on 24 July 1937 and now his age is 87. Raj Kapoor, real name Shrishti Nath Kapoor. Born on 14 December 1924 and died in 1988 at the age of 63. Biswajit, real name Biswajit Chatterjee. Born on 14 December 1936 and now his age is 88. Sunil Dutt, real name Balraj Dutt. Born on 6 June 1929, died in 2005 at the age of 75. Rajendra Kumar, real name Rajendra Kumar Tuli. Born on 28 July 1927, died in 1999 at the age of 71. Kishore Kumar, real name Abhas Kumar Ganguly. Born on 4th August 1929 and died in 1987 at the age of 58. Dilip Kumar, real name Muhammad Yusuf Khan. Born on 11 December 1922 and died in 2021 at the age of 98. Guru Dutt, real name Vasant Padukone. Born on 9 July 1928, died in 1964 at the age of 39. Johnny Walker, real name Badruddin Qazi. Born in 1924, died in 2003 at the age of 78. Ashok Kumar, real name Kumadlal Ganguly. Born on 13 October 1911, died in 2001 at the age of 90. Pran, real name Pran Sikand. Born on 12 February 1920, died in 2013 at the age of 93. Joy Mukherjee, born on 24th Feb 1939, died in 2012 at the age of 73. Dev Anand, real name Dharamdev Anand. Born on 26 September 1923 and died in 2011 at the age of 88. Mahmood, real name Mahmood Ali. Born on 29 September 1932, died in 2004 at the age of 71. Raj Kumar, real name Kulbhushan Pandit. Born on 8 October 1926, died in 1996 at the age of 69. Bharat Bhushan, real name Bharat Bhushan Gupta. Born on 14 June 1920, died in 1992 at the age of 71. Pradeep Kumar, real name Seetal Batabyal. Born on 4 January 1925 and died in 2001 at the age of 76. Shammi Kapoor, real name Shamsher Raj Kapoor. Born on 21st October 1931 and died in 2011 at the age of 79. Jagdeep, real name Syed Ishtiyaq Jafri. Born on 29 March 1939 and died in 2020 at the age of 81. Ajit, real name Hamid Ali Khan. Born on 27 January 1922 and died in 1998 at the age of 76. Prem Chopra, born on 23rd September 1935 and now his age is 89.